International Day of Charity. Homage to Mother Teresa. 5th September. The International Day of Charity is an international day observed annually on 5th September. It was declared by the United Nations General Assembly in 2012. Purpose. The prime purpose of the International Day of Charity is to raise awareness and provide a common platform for charity-related activities all over the world for individuals, charitable, philanthropic and volunteer organizations for their own purposes on the local, national, regional and international level. Significance. Charity is vital as it enables us to reach out to wider parts of society, assisting those who need our help the most. International Day of Charity serves to increase and enhance social responsibility across the entire world, increasing our support and charitable causes and bringing everyone together in solidarity. This day presents us with a great opportunity to get involved in the charity events that are going on around the world. History. The International Day of Charity was conceived as a Hungarian civil society initiative supported by the Hungarian Parliament and government in 2011 to enhance visibility, organize special events, and in this way to increase solidarity, social responsibility, and public support for charity. September 5 was chosen in order to commemorate the anniversary of the passing away of Mother Teresa of Calcutta, who received the Nobel Prize in 1979 for work undertaken in the struggle to overcome poverty and distress, which also constitute a threat to peace. On 17 December 2012, in response to a proposal to Hungary, the United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution by consensus to designate 5 September as International Day of Charity. The resolution was co-sponsored by 44 UN member states representing all 5 regional groups of the United Nations. In its resolution, the General Assembly invited member states, organizations of the United Nations systems, and other international and regional organizations, stakeholders, as well as NGOs of the civil society to commemorate the International Day of Charity in an appropriate manner by encouraging charity, including through education and public awareness raising activities. About Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born on the 26th of August 1910 as Agnes Gonza Bujaiu in the Ottoman Empire and would go on to commit herself to religious life by age 12. She had always been fascinated by missionaries, particularly those in India, and left home at 18 to learn English and become a missionary in Ireland. She later moved on to India, where she learned Bengali and took religious vows to become a Catholic nun. Her charitable work truly began in 1948 when she adopted Indian citizenship and worked with the poorest individuals in the country. In the coming years, she opened several hospices, established a congregation, and instituted leper houses and orphanages. Her congregation attracted many recruits and donors and went on to found many branches of her charitable organizations that took her good work across the globe. The congregation manages homes for those who are dying of TB, leprosy, and HIV/AIDS. It also runs schools, orphanages, family counseling programs, children's counseling programs, mobile clinics, dispensaries, and soup kitchens. Members take vows of obedience, poverty, and charity. They also profess a fourth vow, which is to give a wholehearted free service to the poorest of the poor. Over the years, Mother Teresa has been awarded with many different honors. This includes being given the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 as well as the Timon Magsaysay Peace Prize in 1962. Mother Teresa, who died in 1997 after 45 dedicated years of charitable service, is remembered as a woman of great faith and unmatched charitable donation. How to celebrate? There are various ways that you can get involved with the International Day of Charity. It doesn't matter how much money you have to spare or how much time you are available. Charitable donations are welcomed in any form, big or small. It is worth taking a look at the different charities in your local area as well as your preferred worldwide charities to see if they have any events that are going on. If they don't, you could take it upon yourself to organize a charity event. Fundraising events are always welcomed. All you need is an idea that everyone can get involved in. It doesn't need to be complicated. This is why bake sales and fun runs work so well. You can also spend the day learning more about Mother Teresa in order to pay honor to the International Day of Charity. There have been a number of films and books that Mother Teresa has been the subject of. Her authorized biography, which was published in 1992, and film The Letters, that is based on Mother Teresa's letters to Celeste van Exem, a Vatican priest, are a good option. Not all of the charities out there today have big budgets to spend on advertising campaigns and such like, and so you may not be aware of the hard work that is being done. So take time to read up on the different charities and find one that you can relate to and make a donation to them. Don't forget to raise awareness on social media and such like.